Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I can provide you with an informative tutorial on using CUDA streams in Python with the help of the pycuda library. CUDA streams allow concurrent execution of multiple kernels or memory operations on a GPU, improving overall performance. Let's go through the steps with a code example. Before you start, make sure you have CUDA installed on your system. You can install pycuda using pip. In this example, we create a CUDA stream using pycuda.driver.Stream. We define a simple CUDA kernel @_kernel that adds corresponding elements of two arrays. We allocate GPU memory using pycuda.puarray.to_GPU and launch the kernel using the created stream. Finally, we synchronize the stream to ensure that all operations are completed and then copy the result back from the GPU to the CPU for verification. Note, this is a basic example, and in a real-world scenario, you might want to use streams for overlapping computation and communication, especially in situations with multiple kernels or memory transfers. Feel free to adapt the example according to your specific use case and requirements. ChatGPT